In this video, we're going to be checking out two audio products from Sunbay. One is a set of their Bluetooth over-ear headphones, and the other one is a set of their Bluetooth Sport earbuds. So stay tuned. What's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm Jeff at El Jefe Reviews, and on my channel, we do gadget unboxings, demos, and tech reviews. Now, if that sounds like something that you're into, consider hitting that subscribe button, and this way you never miss any of my weekly videos. This week, we're checking out two sets of Bluetooth headphones from Sunbay. This one is their TS-BH17 over-ear headphones, and these come in right about $26.99. The other ones are their TS-BH20 Bluetooth Sport earbuds, and these come in right around $24.99 respectively. As usual, I'll be leaving associate Amazon links to both of these right down in the description box below, so make sure you guys check them out. I also want to take a moment to thank Sunbay for getting these headphones out to me free of charge for my honest opinion and review. But before we go any further, I want to take a moment to announce the winner of the monthly tech giveaway for February. And the winner is Brandon Timotech Timozik from Michigan. Now be sure to check your email so we can exchange info, and this way I can get this sweet speaker sent right out to you. Now, Timotech Brandon also happens to be a fellow YouTuber, so if you guys never heard of him, I'll be leaving a link to his channel right up here and one in the description box below. He does some pretty sweet gaming PC builds, hardware related stuff, and also some benchmarking videos. So if you're into that sort of thing like I am, go ahead and check him out. Don't forget to subscribe if you're into his content. Now, with all that being said, let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, so first up we have the Sunbay TS-BH17. So here's the box they come in. Nothing too special, but I don't expect anything super crazy at this price range. We're coming in at $26.99 on these guys, so it's decent for what it is. But let's go ahead and crack it open because I know you guys didn't come here to see a box. All right. All right, nothing left in the box. All right, we have here, okay, a couple of cables. Looks like we've got a USB to micro USB for charging, and then we've got an auxiliary cable. That always comes in handy in case your headphones ever run out of battery, so that's pretty cool. All right, so let's go ahead and pull these out. Get that out of the way. I think that is it. Yep, that's all that's included there. So here we have them. These are the headphones themselves. I'm a big fan of headphones that have this swivel feature. That's always a cool thing. Nice. Very nice. Very soft. Same up here. All right, that'll come in handy for my bald head. So we have a pretty good range of adjustment here. Fit some larger heads. They have a metal band built in there. So these are actually exceptionally light. Just holding them here, your initial impressions with them, they're actually very light, so they feel like they're going to be really, really comfortable on your head for a long period of time. Yeah, they're not overly heavy at all, which is pretty surprising. So yeah, and then I like that full swivel feature. You can have them on your shoulders or you can lay them flat. That always comes in handy. And then right here, we've got our micro USB port for charging. You've got your 3.5 millimeter jack here for your auxiliary input. Your main power button there. There is the bass boost button right there. More on that later. And then you've got your rocker here that goes back and forth. That's going to give you, volume up, volume down, and also, long press is going to give you either track forward or track back. So a lot of options there, but plain, these are very understated. They got the Sunbay name right here, but there isn't a bunch of other drawings or graphics or anything like that. Now these are plasticky with a little bit of aluminum, obviously, so I think that's what makes them so light. Even being this light, they still feel like they've got some pretty good quality to them. So yeah. All right, so let's check out the little earbuds real quick. All right. Sunbay TS-BH20 comes in the standard packaging there. All right. Okay, so it looks like here are The earbuds themselves, let's see if I can get this all out here. Okay, what do we have? Oh, so we've got a nice small, you know, faux leather carrying pouch. Instruction manuals. Ah, nice. Glad they include this. Multiple size earbuds, so that's cool. Wire clip also included. And looks like that appears to be about it. Let me go ahead and pull these out. There we are. Let's get that out of the way. Oh, also, almost forgot. Standard USB to micro USB charging cable. Now these are of a similar design that you'll see on a lot of other products out there on Amazon. What I really liked about these is, you know, they do have the button built in right here, along with your other buttons on top here. Your charging ports right on the bottom, in case you weren't familiar with this design or this style. So fitment is really good. They're actually very light, pretty comfortable. I like, you know, the earbuds that have this over the ear hoop. Helps keep them in place, especially if you're doing any kind of activity, walking on treadmill, jogging, things like that. You know, it helps keep them stay in place. So that's always nice. So, but yeah, and I mean, they're pretty standard fare as far as, you know, your Bluetooth earbuds go. So, all right, so just a quick rundown on the SUMBE headphones here. They are super lightweight. I can't give you an exact weight on them, but the lightweight makes them extremely comfortable, along with this protein memory foam type of material. Makes them super easy to wear for long periods of time. So yeah, I mean, this is actually one of the most comfortable headphones that I've ever tried out. So yeah, pretty solid as far as that goes. It's also packing a 500 milliamp hour battery, gives you about 25 hours worth of music playtime. If you activate the bass boost on it though, that will drop that down to anywhere from 12 to 15 hours of playtime, depending on what you listen to and how loud you're listening to it. They're also, you know, like I said before, super comfortable, you know, and they have great design features. I like the swivel, you know, where you can fold them flat. That's super cool. And I also like that they're foldable. So you can put them in a case or in a small bag or, you know, in your backpack, whatever it might be. So that's a nice touch, you know, that they do that. And they also have a wide range of fitment, you know, the adjustments and stuff. So some of you guys know I have a huge head, you know, so if they fit my head comfortably, you know, they'll fit, you know, pretty much anyone. So yeah, check it out. Yeah, buddy. And then they also have that oval design, goes all the way over your ear. That gives you some, you know, some decent noise reduction for ambient noise. It's not perfect. They're not, you know, active noise canceling, but they get the job done really well. If I had to give them a rating from 1 to 5, I would give them a solid 4 to 4.25 out of 5 because these are some of the best headphones that I've ever listened to under 30 bucks. So sound quality is excellent. When you turn on the bass boost, you get a boost in, you know, across the whole range of sound. You get a bass boost. You also get mid-range and highs. The bass hits so hard on these that they actually shake depending on what kind of music you're listening to. So now on the downside, because they do get very loud and, you know, just based on their design, there is a ton of sound leakage. You know, if somebody's in the room with you or somebody's sitting next to you or something like that, you know, if you have them turned up, they're definitely going to hear what you're listening to. So that's a drawback, but you know, I'm not going to knock them very many points because we're talking under 30 bucks here. So yeah, for what they are, that's the only drawback I see to them, honestly, is, you know, is the sound leakage. But beyond that, yeah, I think you guys will really like these. As far as under 30, I highly recommend the SUMBE headphones. And that brings me over to the SUMBE earbuds. These guys right here. These have a IPX7 rating, so makes them virtually sweatproof and waterproof. So they're great for, you know, people living active lifestyle. If you're working out, jogging, hiking, anything like that, these will be perfect for you. They also have 8 to 9 hour battery time. So, you you know, say you work out an hour, you know, an hour a day, you know, these will get you through your whole week without needing a recharge. So that's pretty cool. And, you know, they come with all the different ear tips. I actually change these out for ones that fit me better. I always recommend changing those out to suit your needs, because you'll get a much better experience. So, you know, as far as comfort goes, very comfy. I like this earpiece that goes over the top, helps keep them in place. So yeah, as far as that goes, they're pretty good. And just like the other headphones, they're running Bluetooth 4.1, so you won't have any trouble pairing these to any device. So they gave me no trouble on my Samsung Galaxy, my wife's LG, one of my coworkers has a Google Pixel, no problem there. And you know, just like the headphones, they also have an excellent range. I wore these at the office, but I was walking around anywhere from 20 to 30 feet, and there was no discernible noise or drop in sound quality. So as far as sound quality goes, they have good bass, excellent mid-range. Highs are okay. You know, I expected a little bit more out of them, especially considering that they're 25 bucks. But I'm not really gonna complain. I'm being nitpicky about it, but yeah, I mean, for what they are, they're great. I feel like maybe they should be a little less expensive, maybe right around 20 bucks to really compete in this market. But for what they are, they're pretty solid. If I had to give them a rating, I'd probably say 3.5 out of 5 for what they are. And you know, I do recommend them. They're pretty good. Hopefully they do come up on sale, you know, and that way you can get them at a discount. But yeah, these Soombays are pretty solid for what they are. So all in all, if I had to choose between the headphones and the earbuds, I would definitely go with the headphones. They're super comfortable, really convenient the way that they package them. You know, I've worn them for extended periods. A couple times I wore them for over 4 hours, and you know, there was no fatigue on my ears, there's no fatigue on my head. So yeah, and then for the sound quality too, you know, I was listening to hip hop and a lot of rock and stuff, and you know, the deep bass and the great mid-range, it's actually surprising how good they sound for a headphone that's under 30 bucks. So yeah, I'm thoroughly impressed with these, and I highly recommend them. If you're looking to get somebody a nice gift, or if you're looking to treat yourself and not break the bank, you should definitely take a look at Soombay's products. In particular, their over-ear headphones, but also their Bluetooth earbuds. Now that wraps up my unboxing and review of the Soombay Bluetooth headphones, both the BH17s and the BH20s. Let me know what you guys think of Soombay's products right down in the comment section. And also, if you have any questions regarding these headphones or earbuds, go ahead and leave those down there too, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you guys like this video, go ahead and smash that like button for me. And if you didn't like this video, go ahead and hit that dislike button, that's cool too. And if you haven't done so already, consider hitting that subscribe button along with that small bell icon. This way you never miss any of my weekly videos. Now, with all that being said, I hope you guys all have a great week, and I will see you in the next video.